sunshine during the day, I can cope with that. But it hasn't been quite like that. We've had rain coming in throughout the day. As of the last few hours, the radar picks it up. As you can see from the lighter colours, the heaviest rain is really in eastern Scotland, northern England, and down through the Channel Isles. Now, either side of that, the cloud was well broken, hence the sunshine today over most of the country, and the clear night returning and already in Northern Ireland. On the greater scale of things, if you follow this frontal system out with that band of cloud, this could be a bit of a complication tomorrow. It will run across up to the English Channel, could be a rather dull start to the day, at least in Cornwall and the Channel Isles. If I put the isobars on there, the real nasty weather is once again, I'm afraid, heading for Scotland. That low will head slowly south-southeastward or southeastwards with the tight isobars bringing very strong winds. But for this evening, the rain will be confined to the eastern side of the country, drag its heels through the southern part of England, and probably die out temporarily in Scotland. So overnight it'll just be blustery showers around the edge of Scotland and a fine night for most of the rest of us, with the wind picking up in many places, but particularly, once again, on the west coast of Scotland. I think during tomorrow especially, you could see gale force winds, at least on the prominent headlands. But the wind has its good side as well. It keeps the temperatures fairly well up tonight, so I'll show you in just a second. Watch how the low tracks. So this is tomorrow. If we take the low down the North Sea, the isobars, although tight, change their orientation. We're bringing down a northerly, bringing down fairly cold air. It'll just affect the eastern side of our country later on in the week, but it'll also spread cold air down through the rest of Europe. Fairly chilly during the day throughout Germany, Austria, and even into the Italian Alps, that blue indicating temperatures near zero during the day. For tonight then, a cold night certainly, but icy patches will be fairly rare. A touch of frost is possible in South Wales, ground frost maybe in the Midlands, and icy patches on the high roads of Yorkshire and also the Lake District. Then tomorrow then, I said a fairly fine start. There's the thicker cloud, could bring the odd spot of rain to Cornwall, maybe the Channel Isles, a good deal of sunshine in one or two places. And the rain that starts off as blustery showers in Scotland will tend to run down the eastern side as that low goes down the North Sea, and it will tend to brighten up over much of the rest of the country. The temperatures tomorrow, much the same today, 6 to 8 degrees, but a little bit more breezy, so it won't feel quite as pleasant.